Okay, I admit it. I need more clothes. And trust me, that is not just the typical girl thing of, oh, I have nothing to wear when you have like dozens and dozens and dozens of outfits. No, I really genuinely need to buy more clothes. But anyway, that isn't important for now. Right now, Farge, even though it's around the corner, I'm not being that lazy, it's raining. So I'm going to Jack's and I'm going to, hi Jack, I'm gonna see you in a minute. No, sorry, well, excuse all the boxes in the background. There's exciting things coming soon. See if you can guess what that could possibly be. What that could possibly mean. Lots and lots of boxes.
Stop it. Stop it! Cease! Cease and desist! Oh, for God's sake. I'm going to wake up in the middle of the night one morning and she's going to be there with her camera.
See, this is one of the reasons why Jack is my best friend. Because he gets excited at the same weird he's making me a concoction. Just 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. We're being very, very, what's the word?
Elegant, fancy, majestic.
Oh, see, they weren't the words I was looking for, but I like those much better. So good, it's so good. No, I'm thinking, what's the word? Like, not responsible. Unresponsible. Even
Irresponsible.
Irresponsible. Being very irresponsible. I'm not going to show you the abundant amount of booze that we have out because we don't have an abundant amount. No, we don't. Yeah, we don't have it.
We don't have the booze. No booze here.
This is not the booze you were looking for. It's really. I was about to munch into it, but I actually don't think I should because it's hot. We've spent a couple of hours just catching up, drinking, having some fun. Now we're having some buns. It's actually really early in the day still, which I'm happy about. I was about to cheers you with a bun, but...
Do it.
Ding.
Cheers.
Oh! Oh! They're really good. Where'd you get these?
Huhing.
Where?
Huhing, so Chinese food warehouse, Japanese, Korean as well. It's like an Asian kind of mix. I'll take you there.
Ah.
I wanna see the sunrise and your sins just be you. Let's make love tonight.
That's literally like, what, 4 minutes, 12 minutes?
12 minutes. So this is how Jack and I spend our evenings, doing workout videos. This is not how usually we spend our evenings.
But it's how we should.
It is how we should, because we found a passion for dancing. We've both always loved dancing. And usually we just game and gain loads of weight. But at least this way, we eat loads and drink loads, but we exercise too. So technically we're good.
Exercise is important.
We're good human beings. We're good Homo-sapiens.
Good Homo. At least I'm a good Homo.
Okay, so apparently it's hours later, and it's not that much later, but now Jack and I are actually going out clubbing, which I haven't been in a very, very long time. We're just waiting for Jack to come out of his house now. Yeah, when I was younger, I never was that type of girl that went clubbing a lot. I've been a couple of times, like I went in Australia and through Monkey's Bar, Stephen, you have to remind me. Just places like that, but not like actual clubbing, so I'm very much looking forward to this. It's always something one of those things you mean to get round to doing and just never do, because you always think, oh, my bed's too comfy. I'm one of those people who are like a bed lounger kind of person, more lazy than most. So yeah, this kind of thing I don't do a lot. But anyway guys, unfortunately I will not be taking my camera into the clubs, as I'm sure you can understand. So I'm sure I will be posting on Facebook and Instagram and all that jazz, on Twitter. If you want to check it out, make sure you follow me on those platforms. The link is in the description below. Make sure you check out one of the other videos if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and click that little like button, do it now, because I upload weird crap. It's fun stuff, so hopefully you enjoy that. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. See you later. Dad, do you want to say bye?
Bye, Dad.